This is the new Formula One safety car, the Mercedes-AMG GT Black Series. A powerful car with 730 horsepower, so very strong. We have a new front part, so front wing to get a more downforce in the front, what is quite important for the balance. Brake systems, ceramic carbon brakes, what is absolutely beautiful. And the color, what you can see here, it's the CrowdStrike red color. So our partner, our friends here, even on the car. On the top of the car, you can't see lights anymore because they moved in the upper part of the windshield in the front. So it's very integrated right now. What is very important, no lights on the roof, more aerodynamic in the back. So on this big rear wing, we're producing a lot of downforce. The lights in the back are integrated here on the rear wing, so the drivers can see it perfectly from the back. And for the balance and the suspension, I think I don't have to say, it's constructed for the racetrack, it's built for the racetrack, and it's the best car for the safety car in the Formula One Championship. All right, and now let's hop inside the safety car and I'll show you what's going on there. So I will show you now some details from the standard one, where you can see here now the standard buttons. It's the dynamic select buttons, manual gear shifting for sure, very important, suspension button, ESP where I usually off because I'm driving with the traction control, where I can handle it here with the yellow button. And now we're swapping over directly to the special things inside the safety car. We have here two buttons. That's the radio button, main and backup radio. It's for me and also for my co-driver, who's, by the way, very important because he's doing all the communication things with race control. If we're going up now, just here on the top of the car, that's the buttons for the light system. Flashlight, yellow lights and green lights, where we can give all the information to the drivers by a light signal. If we are coming back to the front part of the interior, we can also see here the marshalling system, where we can see around the track if it's a yellow zone or if it's a blue zone, or sometimes it's a red zone. That means the race is stopped. We have two monitors inside the car, where we usually have the main feed, so we will follow the race, and where we have here on the big screen the GPS mapping, where we can see all the cars around the track, which situation, if there's an impact, if there's an accident, if there's only nothing on the track, but is usually quite good. We have a special mirror for my co-driver. It's a camera to the backside of the car. Both of us, we have a 6-point bell, what is very important inside this car. And we have an overall cage here on the back. Hopefully we never use it, but it's for safety reason because we are sitting inside the safety car. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed the walk around on this beautiful car. See you soon on the track.